Digital transformation is rapidly becoming an imperative in modern business, regardless of the sector you're in. But what exactly is digital transformation? A lot of people often confuse it with digitization. If you look back, organizations have been investing in technology for decades. But take a closer look and you will realize they were efforts in migrating data, information, and a few processes onto a digital medium. But digital transformation is a much more comprehensive initiative. It's a major change that's occurring in today's world, driven by the rapid adoption of technology. On the spectrum of digital sophistication, some existing legacy systems and digital processes are scrapped entirely, or they're integrated with and supported by newer technologies. With digital transformation, a company is dedicating its time, money, and resources to transforming how it operates as a whole. But where to get started? Transformation involves redefining your entire business strategy in alignment with your IT goals. But therein lies the challenge. Rapid changes in the market, particularly on the user experience front, have continuously forced businesses to take more measures to step up their adoption of new technologies. While you're trying to push the boundaries to increase agility and speed to market for your organization, your IT team may not be up to the task of revamping entire operations while also performing their usual responsibilities. And outsourcing it to an external vendor will only increase the knowledge gap and incur higher expenses and dependency. Don't worry though, there's a highly effective technology that can help organizations here, and it's called low-code. Low-code is a new way to build custom applications on platforms that abstract the laborious process of hand coding. The drag-and-drop interface and user-friendly scripting languages of these platforms empower you to increase productivity, improve collaboration between teams, increase speed to market, and modernize legacy systems. And it makes scaling up easier as the platform offers you the flexibility to tweak and extend applications whenever you need. Even employees with little to no coding experience can drive your company's digital transformation 10 times faster. With technologies converging, competition is no longer just coming from traditional peers, but also from a host of next-generation competitors who are keen on working their strategies around advanced technologies. To evolve in this technology-dominated era, businesses need to modify their existing practices and bridge the gap between what the modern customer demands and what analog business can actually deliver. Master low-code technology and drive your digital transformation.